Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Understanding and Using Pre-Made Dropshipping Stores. In this video, we will explain the basics of dropshipping and how it works. One of the easiest ways to start your own dropshipping business is by using a pre-made dropshipping store. The biggest advantage of using pre-made dropshipping stores is that you don't need to worry about building a website from scratch. It's cost-effective and saves you time, which you can use to focus on other aspects of your business. Using a pre-made dropshipping store is very easy. All you need to do is purchase the store, customize it according to your preferences, and add products to your store. As soon as a sale is made, the product is shipped directly from the supplier to the customer, so you don't have to worry about handling inventory or shipping. Finding the right pre-made dropshipping store can be a daunting task. Look for stores that are designed specifically for your niche, have a good reputation, offer good customer support, and provide a wide range of products. Dropshipping is a great way to start your own online business, and using a pre-made dropshipping store can save you a lot of time and effort. Follow these tips to find the right pre-made store for your business and get started today.